Hey guys, good evening. It's already 7 o'clock here. And then, look what I'm doing. Just gonna try the DIY. I just watch on TikTok. Kasi naman, tuwing niisip nating magpagupit, laging may pinupuntahan. So, I'll just try it myself. Okay? And then, dito naman daw sa likod, tatalin natin pataas. I don't know. Just see the result after. Okay guys, basta ganun. Tatalin natin here and then sa likod. Okay, I'm done here in front and at my back. I'm gonna show you my hair. Ang haba-haba ng hair ko. Summer na po dito sa amin. So, I need to cut it anyways. Hahaba din naman yan. Okay, diba? Ang haba ng aking hair. For how many years na ito? So, here we are. I don't know. Dito, sabi nila dito sa may pero I will lower it. Okay. Oh, see? Goodbye hair. Ang talas pa ng aking gunting. Kasi magkamali man ako, lagi din naman kaming naka sombrero sa loob. May hairnet kami sa aking workplace. Ayan. Hindi halata. Diba? You cannot see na. Oh. Whatever. I can see it is tabingi. Well. Just do it like this. Para may design. Okay, at my back, here, later ko na lang tatanggalin, this one. Daran! Then, moment of truth! Ayan guys. Wow! Oh my gosh. Look oh. Oh. Effective nga. Good. Nice. How about my back? I don't know. I cannot see. But you guys, you can see it. But here, I like it. See? Halata nyo ba guys na tabingi or not pantay? Wow! Nice one. Nice try. Try nyo din guys. Bye-bye.